In the year 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius erupted, wiping out the city of Pompeii in just a few hours. Tens of thousands of people were buried under scorching ash and lava. That day, one of history's most devastating volcanic disasters took place. But what happened in Pompeii is nothing compared to the potential power of Yellowstone. Yellowstone, one of the largest supervolcanoes on Earth. If it erupts, it could mean a catastrophe for the entire planet. But will it actually erupt? Scientists are working to understand what's happening beneath this massive volcano. What do the latest studies reveal? Is humanity prepared for such a disaster? Let's uncover the secrets of Yellowstone. Yellowstone is no ordinary volcano. This massive supervolcano hasn't erupted for millions of years, but deep below, it remains active. Its last 3 major eruptions occurred approximately 2.1 million, 1.3 million, and 631,000 years ago. Each of these eruptions released massive ash clouds that changed the planet's climate. So what's happening now? In recent years, seismic activity in Yellowstone has increased. Researchers have discovered a massive magma chamber beneath the surface, which is constantly changing. However, whether this will lead to a major eruption anytime soon remains a topic of debate. Some scientists believe the Earth's crust is thinning and magma pressure is rising. In 2003, the temperature of Yellowstone's hot springs spiked unexpectedly, and geothermal activity increased. A 2018 study revealed that the magma chamber was filling faster than previously thought. But is this a warning sign of an eruption? Studies from 2019 and 2021 confirmed an increase in earthquake activity in the region. In particular, small tremors in 2020 prompted scientists to gather more data about Yellowstone's future. However, so far, no definitive eruption predictions have been made. A massive eruption at Yellowstone would be catastrophic. The initial explosion would instantly devastate hundreds of square miles. But the real destruction would come from the enormous ash clouds that would spread through the atmosphere. These clouds could block sunlight, triggering a volcanic winter. Global temperatures would drop, agricultural systems would collapse, widespread famine would occur, and modern civilization could face an unprecedented crisis. NASA and other organizations have proposed projects to prevent an eruption. One idea is to pump water into the supervolcano to cool it down. However, such interventions come with significant risks. If done incorrectly, they could potentially trigger an eruption instead. According to scientists, Yellowstone is unlikely to erupt anytime soon. Yes, there is magma movement, but that doesn't necessarily mean an eruption is imminent. The eruption cycles of supervolcanoes span millions of years, and researchers haven't been able to pinpoint an exact timeline. Still, Yellowstone must be closely monitored. Some scientists suggest installing more advanced sensors to measure seismic fluctuations and temperature changes more precisely. Others argue that evacuation plans should be developed in case an eruption scenario becomes more likely. Yellowstone remains one of nature's greatest mysteries. While a major eruption isn't expected in the near future, scientists continue to monitor the region daily. What do you think? Will Yellowstone erupt one day? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.